Good medical morning. This is Adam, and today we're going to revisit one of the first videos we posted on this channel, which now has over 3 million views. Here's the medical update you've been waiting for. First off, we showed you this Chinese girl. She was 11 years old and she had a parasitic twin growing out of her back. You can see an arm and part of the chest. She was featured in a news article by The Telegraph, but they never told you what happened to the girl, who was only 3'8", because of the condition. She's now 22 years old. The parasitic twin is long since removed, but she does have some back and shoulder problems now. We also reported about this woman. She had a 70-pound growth in her leg. Local surgeons wouldn't treat it because of the risk of infection, and they thought it was a result of the devil. Since then, an article was run in the Mirror, and a UK-based charity donated and collected donations for her surgery. She's had it treated and is doing a little better, but she still suffers from the condition. We also told you about a 22-year-old anorexic woman named Amel Lewis. Well, it turns out Amel has an Instagram account called Amel Gets Well. She's gone ahead, she's vegan now, she's eating healthier, and she's looking and feeling a lot better. So kudos to her, and go ahead and click like for Amel and follow Instagram's Amel Gets Well. We also showed you a fascinating autopsy photo of an individual who ingested hydrochloric acid. Sorry, no update there. They're still dead. For a future video, go ahead and comment below if you'd like to hear a story about why this individual has a huge sore on their scalp and what they're doing today. Lastly, you've probably seen a lot of fashion bloggers showcasing really neat facial masks. We've got one on sale. We'll put an Amazon link below. It's about 10 bucks. We're clearancing it out, so take advantage of it now while you can. It's a really cool way to get rid of wrinkles and clear up your skin.